Most dangerous airport in the world. Did you know that there are certain airports constructed in the world that can be extremely hazardous? There are many airports in the world that have been marked as the most dangerous airports. Know more about which are these airports and why have they been marked dangerous and critical? The fear of flying is guaranteed here. I will show you the some dangerous airports in the world. Some of them are even located in dream vacation destination like the Caribbean. Here you are not afraid to fly, but rather to land. So relax and enjoy your flight unless your plane is heading to one of the most dangerous airports in the world. St. Barthélemy Island is a location one of the most dangerous airports in the world. The airport Gustav III located on the coast and is quite small. Its runway was built perpendicular to the coast, so the pilots who take the plane to land have the feeling of being in the sea. Extension of only 650 meters, which make the situation even more difficult. The airport was opened in 1984. Originally, it was intended for the small aircraft. Most of the airplanes now landing at the airport do not carry more than 20 passengers. Lukla Airport, Nepal. This airport serves as the main landing spot for those visiting Mount Everest. But if climbing Everest is hard, the arrival at the airport is not much easier. The runway is one of the shortest in the world and lays nestled between the mountains. To make things worse, electricity on site is poor, making it hard for pilots to contact air controllers, and sometimes planes have to land even without assistance. Tenzing Hilari Airport, also known as Lukla Airport in Nepal, is the prime airport for anyone who is visiting Mount Everest. The runway is surrounded on all sides by steep Himalayan terrain, with a mountain shelf on one side and a steep drop into the valley below on the other side. The airport runway is extremely short as just 527 meter means 1729 feet long, although it also slopes uphill with a gradient of almost 12%, which help plane to slow down in time. To make matters worse, there is no go around procedure because of the surrounding mountains. Give these factors, only helicopters and small fixed wing propeller planes are permitted on land. Since 1973, there have been several accidents on the airport that resulted in many deaths and injuries. Princess Juliana Airport at Martin. The notorious Princess Juliana Airport on the Caribbean island of Saint Martin is famous around the world for its low landings over the ocean, owing to one end of its single 7,546 feet means 2,300 meter long runway being extremely close to the shore. The proximity of Maho Beach to the runway has made the airport one of the world's most favorite places for a perfect Instagram shot, as the landing jets appear to be just feet above the heads of the public just before touchdown, while takeoff creates huge gusts of wind and sand for sunbathers. It, it is not without danger tough. In 2017, a New Zealand woman died from injuries sustained by jet blast from a departing aircraft. While the airport at Lukla has a dangerously short runway of only 527 meter means 1729 feet, the one at Courchevel Airport is even shorter at 525 meter means 1722 feet. This airport, which serves the exclusive ski resort of Courchevel in the French Alps, drop off in a cliff as well. So pilots need to make sure they gain enough speed for takeoff if they don't want to fall off the cliff's edges. The runway also has a downwards gradient of 18.6%, which further complicates takeoff and landing. Moreover, on approach or during takeoff, pilots have to maneuver their aircraft between the Alps without instrument procedure. The only clear guideline is a no-go round due to the surrounding mountains. Madeira Airport, Portugal, is one of the few in the world where engineers built a platform in order to expand the runway. The landing strip sits between steep cliff and the shores of the ocean. To expand the runway, engineers built a series of platforms on an artificial island. The runway is held up by more than 180 columns, which have to withstand the shock of landings. Only a limited amount of pilots are qualified to land on this airport. Pilots must navigate their approach by spotting landmarks and cannot land by instrument alone. To make it more difficult, there are strong winds, high mountains on one side and the ocean on the other. Sabah Airport is one of the world's scariest airports, located on the Dutch Caribbean island of Sabah. It lies about 27 miles, means 45 kilometers, south of Saint Martin. Its runway is a pitiful 1300 feet, means 400 meter long one, making it one of the shortest commercial airport in the world. This tiny runway length means only the very best pilots have what it takes to safely land and take off from it.